Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix rendering lag in OBS. If you've been experiencing choppy streams or recordings, these settings adjustments should help you get smooth performance. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, look at the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your main configuration window where we'll be making several important adjustments to optimize your OBS performance. In the settings window, you'll see a left panel with various categories. Click on Output to access your streaming and recording encoder settings. This is where you can control how OBS processes your video, which directly impacts performance. Now navigate to the encoder preset option. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select either very fast or super fast. These presets reduce the processing load on your CPU, which helps eliminate rendering lag by allowing OBS to encode your video more efficiently without overworking your system. Next, in that same left panel, click on Video. This section controls your resolution and frame rate settings. Look for the option labeled Common FPS Values. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select 60. Setting your frame rate to 60 ensures smooth motion in your streams and recordings, which is especially important for gaming content or fast-moving visuals. Now, in the left panel again, click on Advanced. This section contains deeper system-level settings that can significantly impact performance. At the top, navigate to Process Priority. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select High. This tells your computer to allocate more resources to OBS, giving it priority over other background processes and helping prevent lag during streaming or recording. Scroll down until you find the Network section. This area contains several optimization options that improve streaming stability. First, make sure your bind to IP setting is set to default. If it's not, click the drop-down menu and select Default. This ensures OBS uses the correct network adapter. Below that, check the box beside Dynamically Change Bitrate to manage congestion beta. This feature allows OBS to automatically adjust your bitrate during network fluctuations, preventing dropped frames. Right below it, check the box beside Enable Network Optimizations. This further enhances your streaming stability by optimizing how OBS handles network traffic. Finally, uncheck the box beside Enable Browser Hardware Acceleration. While this might seem counterintuitive, disabling it can actually reduce conflicts and improve overall performance in many systems. Once you've made all these changes, look at the bottom right of the settings window. Click Apply to save your new settings, then click OK to close the window. Your OBS should now run much smoother with significantly reduced rendering lag. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.